Why wouldn't someone who plays games on their phone buy these phones? I don't know about you, but lately a lot of people are looking for a phone for gaming.
Next level.
And the box looks like this. I'll buy an iPhone. Samsung is better. Or POCO is cheaper. It does the same job. But are these phones ideal for gaming? Or will they say, I wish I had bought something else? A month after buying it? Hello, I'm Emir, and you're watching SmartConsumerTV. Today, I'm going to explain to you why you shouldn't buy 3 very popular phones for gamers: iPhone 15 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and POCO F6 Pro, and then why I still recommend these phones. There will be a 2-pronged approach, both criticism and recommendation. POCO F6 Pro. Cheap is fair. Why shouldn't we buy it? The POCO F6 Pro may look very powerful. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 120Hz AMOLED display, it's great on paper. But let's be real. This device starts to heat up very quickly during gaming. Performance drops noticeably, and the device switches to self-protection. The quality of the materials is also not premium.
You lose.
Both the hand feels uncomfortable during long gaming sessions, and the battery drains quickly. So, why should we buy it? If your budget is around 700 to 800 Azerbaijani manat, and you play games at an average level, POCO is a very good choice. Also, 120-watt fast charging. Rare at this price. Being able to charge 100% in 15 minutes is a serious advantage. It is enough for everyday games, PUBG Mobile, Mobile Legends. But if you are a Genshin Impact fan, maybe you should budget a little more. iPhone 15 Pro/Pro Max. Apple is different, but not for everyone. Why shouldn't we buy it? Yes, the A17 Pro chipset is very powerful. But the iPhone 15 Pro has a serious heating problem during gaming. Most games cause throttling, speed reduction, after 20 to 30 minutes in high graphics mode. And of course, the price. If you're thinking of spending 2,500 plus Azerbaijani manat just to play games, then you're either a pro gamer or an Apple fan. So, why should we buy it? If you love iOS and do social media, video editing, and everyday tasks alongside gaming, this phone strikes the perfect balance. The optimization for games is very high, with Call of Duty Mobile running at a different level of fluidity on the iPhone. The Pro Max model is better suited for long gaming sessions with a larger screen and less heat. Why shouldn't we buy it? This phone is a premium one, but problems can start when looking at it for gaming. The device is heavy, 232 grams. When playing games for a long time, your hand gets tired. And sometimes you can even feel the heat. Most importantly, this phone is not optimized for gaming. Samsung has put a lot of work into the camera and multitasking. So why should we buy it? If you want not only gaming, but also a high-quality camera, multitasking, strong everyday performance. This is a great choice. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which works without problems for Genshin Impact or Diablo Immortal. Screen quality. When you look at this phone, it's like you're in a movie theater. So if you're looking for an all-in-one phone, yes, it can be bought. But is it just for gaming? Maybe another model is more suitable. Dear viewer, every phone has its strengths and weaknesses. You can't just be fooled by the technical specifications on paper. The main thing is, what do you need? If it's just for gaming, look at POCO, Red Magic, or ROG phones. If you're talking about camera, gaming, and everyday tasks, Samsung and iPhone won't disappoint you. But remember, there is no perfect phone. There is a phone that is right for you. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Which phone seems more ideal to you? Until we meet in the next videos, stay with Smart Consumer TV. Smart choice, smart life.